I'm about to show you the easiest side hustle that you can start today with just your mobile phone that makes this person here $150 every 15 seconds. Or this guy who's currently making more than $5,000 a month from this simple side hustle. And this gal who's only just started offering this service and has already cleared $3,000 doing it. In this video, I'm going to break down what this side hustle is, the tools that you need to get started, and how you can get people paying you upwards of $150 for 15 seconds of your time. So, what is this elusive side hustle that anyone can start today with just their mobile phone? Well, it's called user-generated content, or UGC for short. And no doubt you've been scrolling through social media on numerous occasions and come across such videos as these. Product demos, Amazon reviews, testimonials, promotional content, pretty much any type of content with a person speaking to the camera in a natural way is classed as UGC. And now with every brand and company wanting to increase their following across social media and become TikTok famous, the demand for this type of content has never been higher. Like, if you remember a couple of years ago, social media used to be about capturing the perfect picture and then adding a filter to make it look as unrealistically attractive as possible. After that came Reels, where we'd try to curate perfectly manicured backdrops for high-level videos. But now, and for the last year or so, users want to see raw, unfiltered content that they can relate to, which makes this side hustle so easy to start with no additional investment, other than the mobile phone that you already have. Alright, so that's UGC content in a nutshell. You speaking to your mobile phone camera in a natural, believable way with no additional editing. But now, let's discuss the tools which are gonna make this side hustle even easier for you. And just to be clear, these additional tools aren't necessary to start making money, but they will help you level up your game. First up, let's talk about lighting. Now, you have the free option, which is natural light, and it works really well for making clean and crisp videos. Or you can opt for a basic softbox or ring light, and you can pick these up from Amazon, normally for around $50. These, of course, will allow you to shoot your videos at any time of day. But in all honesty, nothing really beats natural light. Next is your microphone. Now, you can opt to use your phone's microphone, like this. But as you can see, the audio probably isn't the best. And the further you hold the phone away, the worse it's going to get, as you'll be picking up a lot of background and hiss noise too. Therefore, investing in a mic is a good option, but this is something that you can do later on down the line, because in a moment, I'll show you a tool which you can use to make the quality of your phone audio a lot better. But when you do decide to invest in a mic, then opting for a lav mic is probably no doubt the best option for these types of videos. And normally what I'd do is connect my lav via the Rode Wireless Go. It's a bit of a faff getting the adapters to plug into your phone, but once you've got it sorted, it takes less than 2 seconds to set up. And when it comes to remembering what you should be saying to the camera, you can download and use one of the multiple teleprompter applications. But be careful, because quite a few of these you'll have to pay for the pro version to properly use. That's why I'd personally recommend using CapCut's teleprompter. It's 100% free, and I only just started using it a couple of weeks ago, and now I think it's the best. The picture quality through the CapCut app is much better, I think, compared to other teleprompter apps. Plus, you can move the teleprompter box to the top of the screen, closer to the selfie camera, so that it always looks like you're staring at the camera and not yourself. Then finally, what about the editing of your videos? Now, not every client will want the video edited. A lot of them will just want you to send them the raw footage. But if you do want to edit them, then there are free tools that I'd personally use. The first is CapCut, as it acts like a premium editor for free, allowing you to create tons of different effects. Then, if you want to add cool captions like this, you can use a website called submagic.co. You'll need to pay for a membership, and it's a little pricey, but it automatically generates all the captions for you, and all you need to do is select the style that you want. And as I mentioned earlier, if you want to get better audio quality for your mobile phone microphone, what you can do is upload your video into Adobe Podcast Enhancer, where it will use AI to make your audio go from something like this. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, then I'd love it if you could take the time to hit the subscribe button, and hopefully we can hit the 10K mark by the end of the year. To this. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, then I'd love it if you could take the time to hit the subscribe button,
and hopefully we can hit the 10K mark by the end of the year.
Alright, so we've covered the tools any UGC content creator needs in their arsenal. But how are you going to start getting clients to pay you $150 for a 15-second video of you speaking into your phone? Well, you're going to set up a Fiverr account, just like the guys I showed you at the start of this video. These are completely free to start and the best way to get seen by people who actually want to buy your service. So go to Fiverr, sign up for an account and create a UGC gig. After which, create 3 to 4 fake UGC videos which you can add to your Fiverr portfolio as dummy content. This will help potential buyers see the different styles of video you can create and how you are on camera. And lastly, my top tip for any newbies on Fiverr would be to start off quite competitive on pricing, as this is what's going to help you attract buyers with smaller budgets. After a few good orders, you can then start increasing your price until the point that you're getting paid $115 for 15 seconds. So there it is, the easiest side hustle that you can do from anywhere that actually makes you very good money, and all you need is your mobile phone. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, then go and check out my others if you're interested in side hustles and making money online. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.